chicks. They're cream leg bars. They didn't have the ones we wanted, but these ones supposedly lay 280 eggs a year. Over here with Buck's garage, taking his old chicken coop, and all his wife's chickens are coming with me. Alright, so I just made some nice marks in my yard. All it does is rain in this crappy place. This is the first week that there's no rain in the forecast, so Memorial Day weekend kind of changed our plans because all it was going to do was rain and be 50 degrees, so we weren't going kayaking and camping. But I'm sick of not getting anything done because the ground is so saturated, so I just drove through the yard. It'll grow back, I don't care. So I'm gonna spread this stone out, get it leveled up. Got the 6x12 pad there, about 3 to 4 inches thick, 2A limestone on top of geotextile fabric. Next I gotta swap the forks and everything, then I can lift the coop off the trailer and set it on here. This didn't take long at all. I could put the transit on here and get it perfect, but it looks pretty close, so it'll be all right. Don't brush it out, please. So Chicken Daddy's cleaning out the residue from the previous coop. Brett from Buck's Garage YouTube channel, we bought this off of him, my buddy. They built a bigger chicken coop, so win for us. We get this one. We got Chicken Daddy in his natural habitat. Here's a look inside the coop. It's got a roosting bar up here. It's got a little, I don't know what you'd call this, and it might be on upside down, I don't know. Just a little shelf for them to get on. We got steps for the automatic door on the other side. Windows can open, slide open, closed. And we're gonna put a heat lamp on the hook in here. Keep it up top and safety wire it so it can't fall down and light anything on fire. We're gonna put the chicks out here today. They're getting a little bit big for the tote. They're probably about 4 weeks. And we're gonna get 6 more of brown egg layers. So now we have the heat lamp up in there, safety wired up. Don't dump it. Careful. So we've got their coop cleaned out, new shavings, food and water. We're setting them up on 2x4s. They're bigger now, so they can reach it. And even the little ones can hop up on the board and get, you know, if we get new ones. But if you set it right on the floor, you can hang them too. Not that water, but if you set them right on the floor, then all the shavings end up in there in no time. So now we're ready to get the chickens and put them in. All right, go ahead and put them up in there. Try to put them in farther so they don't come back at you out the door. Time to put the chicks in the coop. Their new home. Their forever home. That big bird. Nope.
I think I'm pretty. Yeah, this one's Big Bird.
There's Big Bird, the light one. It's already starting to get his growth on his head. Alright, Benna picked up 6 Rhode Island Reds for like $2 a piece. Some Rhode Island Reds. They're a little bit smaller, but we're gonna put them in here. They should be okay with these other ones. We'll watch. Alright, here's the new Rhode Island Reds.